All right, you just asked a really good question about, pertaining to no mow may, which is, I think, is very complicated, actually. The thing is if you have kind of a monoculture of grass, which you mostly have, you have one native I saw, which is, I think, white avon or something like that, which is this thing here. So you've got this one guy. You've also got some clover, which is not, it's not bad. White clover, though, can be very aggressive. But the other thing is, if you had invasives in here, or things that were very aggressive, like I have a lot of creeping Charlie in my lawn, I don't want that to spread more. So we mowed. I also have creeping buttercup, which is an invasive. So we mowed, but we have, the wild violets, and it's like, So I don't think your lawn, with all due respect, is the kind of lawn that people are talking about. It's just like, no mow may. But this is just my interpretation. You know what I
can't
mean?
not mow without feeling guilty.
I know, right? Because we see all the signs and hear all the things, and it's like, we want to be good stewards.